Hello everyone, welcome to Science and Tech series with Dr.Vivek Rana. Hope all of you are doing well. Topic for today's discussion is from health section. We will be decoding the current disease in news which is making headlines for all the wrong reasons. So we will be focusing on monkeypox outbreak. Because already WHO has confirmed that there are over 200 cases in almost 20 plus countries across the globe. So even though the current outbreak is limited to European region, but still we should be cautious enough and we should be aware about what are the nitty-gritties which have to be prepared from examination point of view. So in this lecture we will be covering all aspects right from the positive agent to treatment to vaccination mode and the history behind the current outbreak of monkeypox. So let's start with the basic information that what is the positive agent of the monkeypox. If you are a biology student, it should not come as a surprise because the key word here is pox. There are a lot of other diseases with the similar nomenclature. You must have heard about the smallpox, chickenpox, and also some other rash diseases which are caused by viruses like measles. So it falls under similar category. To be more precise, it is caused by a virus which goes with the name of family orthopox virus. So make sure you are clear with the positive agent part because this is the easiest part which generally examiner tends to ask whether the positive agent was a bacteria, fungi or a virus. So in current case we have seen the zoonotic season, it's the virus diseases which are gaining all the limelight. Now coming to the genetic material part, now we know the viruses are unique entities which have either DNA or RNA as genetic material. So accordingly they are classified as deoxyvirus or ribovirus. If any virus has a single-stranded RNA as genetic material, it is referred as ribovirus, whereas in case it has a double-stranded DNA as its genetic material, the virus is referred as deoxyvirus. So current monkeypox virus, like the other pox virus, is a deoxyvirus. It has double-stranded DNA as its genetic material. So this is once again a point which typically we tend to take it for granted or just brush aside, but this is an important part because the coronavirus or you could say the Zika or other viruses which are like the common influenza, swine flu, they were mainly RNA viruses. Now coming to the third aspect is the nomenclature part. So this should not come as a surprise because we have seen a lot of viruses have some interesting geographical names at times. Like if you recollect Ebola virus, it was named after river in Congo. If you go to the nomenclature of Nipah, it was named after village in Malaysia. So but here as it is clear there is a animal name which is dominating the nomenclature. So but still you should be careful enough that this is not a disease which will only be limited to monkeys or primates for matter of fact, because we have seen African swine fever just limiting itself to pigs. But here it is now current outbreak is limited to humans, there is no monkey angle. But the history behind the nomenclature is that the first ever confirmed case which was established way back in 1970 was in lab monkeys. So due to laboratory monkeys being the first ever a theme in which the cases were detected, and the name has carried forward till today. Coming to the endemic region. Endemic region means the regions where these cases have been reported in the past or where the outbreaks are expected. So once again it's the Africa. So Central and West Africa to be precise because the first ever confirmed case was in Congo only. So this is the region which is referred as the endemic region for monkeypox virus. So make sure you are clear about the geographical locations. And coming to the history part, just as I said in the nomenclature part as well, the first confirmed case which was medically established was in Democratic Republic of Congo. And Congo we have also know it has a history, it has been associated with the Ebola outbreak as well, because we have seen how the tribesmen used to kill bats for meat, bushmeat, and from where the zoonotic disease emerged and engulfed the Congo region. Here also it's the Congo nation which is once again is like some rave party was going on in Europe, where sexual transmission among gays has been cited as a reason for the current outbreak. So you have to be careful. This is one of the disease which will be transferred not only from zoonotic category but also has a sexual transmission. We have seen this similar thing in Zika virus as well. In Zika, we have seen that it was a vector-borne disease which was transmitted to Aedes aegypti mosquito bite, but sexual transmission was also in play. So this once again similar theme, but it's not a vector-borne disease; it is a zoonotic disease, but sexual transmission has now been associated with the current outbreak. Now coming to the likely reservoir with this monkeypox, because someone tend to just limit itself to monkeys, but here the majority of the times the reservoir has been associated are the rodents. Rodents is a broad group which include rats, squirrels, hedgehogs. So these are the small animals which at times are not burrowed in some unhygienic condition and they carry heavy viral load. So touching to coming in direct contact with any of their fluids or body secretion of infected rodent can transmit to humans, and that's where the problem starts. So make sure once again the reservoir part is important one, because other diseases which we have followed in our class, generally bats used to be the main reservoir of plethora of disease, but here it's the rodents as well as the parasites. Now coming to the transmission part, we just have cited it's a zoonotic disease, so if they are just asking broad category, you can say it can be transmitted from animal to humans and then from human to humans. But also we have seen the sexual transmission part active in this case, and the human to human transmission is taking place due to infected lesion being touched with the close contact or body fluids. Coming to the symptoms, we have seen in the pox category of diseases, there are two main symptoms. There is high fever as well as rash. The peculiar rash appears all over the body, and in given case there is one characteristic symptom which differentiates it from other diseases. It's the lymphadenopathy. Now lymphadenopathy refers to swelling of lymph nodes. So this is the specific characteristic feature which doctors are using for diagnosis. Coming to the fatality part, now fatality refers to the possible death when the outbreak is enlisted. We have seen in COVID-19 the fatality rate lingers around 1 to 2%, but here the fatality rate is slightly on higher side, which is cause of concern. Roughly 3 to 8% is the fatality rate. If you exaggerate it, you can say it touches almost 10%, but the overall WHO and CDC has cited it to be hovering around 3 to 8%. So it is comparatively higher fatality rate viral disease compared to the current outbreak of COVID. Now diagnosis part is straightforward. We have seen in COVID-19 the current gold standard is RT-PCR. It stands for reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. But in the current case, the test remains the same. The only modification is you have to just there's no need to mention RT, but you will just mention PCR. So polymerase chain reaction, PCR is the gold standard for diagnosis, and it's easy to comprehend because the virus, the genetic material here is DNA. So there is no need to mention RT, because RT is specifically for the viruses which go reverse transcription, which have RNA as their genetic. Coming to the vaccination part, since the disease outbreak was historically linked to Africa, so no country thought of developing timely vaccine. And we have seen it belongs to similar category of smallpox virus, and smallpox is one of the disease which has been eradicated through the vaccination part. So here there is no dedicated vaccine so far developed to treat the monkeypox, but the vaccine which was used for smallpox is proving to be almost 85% effective in preventing the outbreak of monkeypox. So you can say the smallpox vaccine is the vaccine of choice for the current outbreak. Hopefully there can be some breakthrough, and since the cases are spiraling up in Europe, so you might see a dedicated vaccine being developed. But for the time being, you can say the smallpox vaccine is the vaccine which is used for containing the monkeypox virus. So I hope by now you have a fair idea what monkeypox illness is all about, and currently we are, you can see that in India is currently there is no case has been reported so far, and hopefully it should remain so if we take adequate protections. So if you have any other query which you feel has not been addressed related to monkeypox, feel free to ask them in comment section. We will try to answer all your genuine queries. So this is the basic prototype of any disease which is in news. You have to prepare from when you are preparing for this highly competitive UPSC examination. Make sure that all dimensions of the disease are being covered, right from the positive to symptoms to vaccination, the history, the nomenclature, because this will help you in preparing better, say, current topics. For any more queries, feel free to visit CCS Academy. We will be ready to sort it out for you. So I hope this session was useful in some way and you got a fair idea of what the current disease is. Thank you very much.